gosh, the server's getting hacked. There's this guy who's literally just banning people. I think if you lose, you'd probably get banned. I don't know, because he's just banned someone. We're all gonna get banned, guys. Oh, I'm dying. Please. Oh my gosh, the person, I think he just left. Oh yeah, he's still here. It's Insanity 666. Oh my gosh. We're all gonna get banned, guys. What? I'm just a no, not me, not me. I'm not the next challenger. No! Victini is stupid! Why do you wanna die? You wanna get banned too? You're so dumb. Seriously, this is scary. We're all gonna get banned. Hi, Tyrantrum. Where was that shooting off into? Whoa, what the frick? What the heck? What the heck? Oh gosh, he's back at oh gosh, he's fighting these challenges. Please stop attacking me. Or do you want to be my legendary round? Please. Gosh, he's banning people. Oh my god. That did nothing. What happened? He's doing the information. I think I'm losing connection. I just lost connection. You know what? Oh gosh. I think the server got shut down. Yeah, it did. I don't think so. Okay, I'm on a different server, not that same hacked one. Because the admin literally started banning people. Like, he banned this person, I think he was called... I don't remember what it's called, but as soon as I got on, this creepy music started playing. Yeah, you might remember that. He started playing that music, and then what happened after? He literally just banned someone. I'm like, what the heck? Why are you banning people for no reason? I was scared, because I thought he was gonna ban me next, but he literally, I don't know what he did after. He just bans people. Wait, what the heck? That's scary though, because he just banned someone. Here's the video footage. I will show you the video where he banned someone. I'm just gonna watch this guy hide into the corner. I'm not trying to hurt ya. I'm gonna go into lock mode. Where's this guy going? Where are you going? doing? What's this guy doing? I think he's using big or something. I won't hurt you. Whoa, there's another. Oh gosh, why do we keep joining these freaking hacked servers? There's another admin. He's called Koiki because he says hack me 18709 whatever number it is, but he's definitely he's planning something. Look, I wish that Combative Infinite literally just shut down that server so he can stop banning people, because on top of his name it said moderator. I got scared. This is what you call extreme roleplaying. No. This is why I don't spam keys. What still works? Let's have a fight scene. We evolved. Okay. Okay, I'm back recording again. I saved a bit. Stop attacking people, you stupid whatever you are. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get blown up. Die, you stupid Charizard! Die, you stupid Charizard! Die! Die with my close combat. I target at you. And that happened. Nothing happened. Where did that Charizard go? Oh, it's still there. Sacred Sword. Where is it gone? Whoa! Stop! Gosh, you stupid Ninetales, I'm a freaking grass and fighting type. You can't hurt a grass and fighting type. Die, you freaking Ninetales. What? Just die. Oh, that Pokemon's gone. This is what you call extreme roleplaying. Extreme. I watch all from above. Just don't fall like this. Used me. I think this. Oh, Victini! Oh, Victini! I have it though! Victini spawned! And I have it. think it's despawning. You bubbly! Watch me! Victini's gone. Oh, Victini spawn next. Because I found Victini twice in one episode. But found it! This is how people easily lose legendaries. They don't care that the Pokemon spawns. Victini's gone again. The hunt for Victini! Who will find Victini? And that's the exact place where I found Victini my first time. I was like hunting for Victini, then I just found it, then I was like, ooh, Victini spawned. And I was like, whoop, I'm getting there. I didn't even know what it was at the first time. I was like, is that Victini? I jumped down, I touched it, got the badge, and that is Victini. Why am I so blind? I feel like there is a secret wall behind here. Oh, there is. Oh, the secret place. It's not even secret anymore. Because I discovered it. This is one of the secret places. Oh, why have I never seen this? Victini could spawn here. No wonder I couldn't even find Victini ever in my life. It took me like 3 days just to find Victini. Whoa! But that's Victini. It's not Victini. I saw a trainer. Why is he gone? That's a freaking Vulpix. That's not a trainer. Victini's back! I think it's gonna disappear. You see a jumping Venusian! And Victini's gone. This is how you go hunting for not Venusian. Victini. Cause I didn't mean to use Sacred Sword. Anyway, Sacred Sword is trash that I killed the Ninetales. That doesn't mean it's trash then. It barely does any damage though. I feel like I've seen like a Victini over here.